मैं 2 बार 3 बार पढ़ाऊँ। द वहाँ पे टाइटल में मैं बोलता हूँ, तुम उसका ऊपर अंगुली रख कर पढ़ो। द अंगुली रख। एप्पल ट्री once upon a time there was an old woman. She wanted to eat an apple pie, but she did not have any apple. But she did not have any apples. All she had were plums. She said, there must be someone who has apples but wants to eat but wants to eat plums. I will go to the market. I will go to the market. I will go to the market and market. Very good. And she filled a basket with plums and started walking. Soon she came to a farm. फार्मर नहीं है, फार्म. She came to a farm. यहाँ पे अंगुली रखो. She came to a farm. A young woman was feeding corn to corn. आएगा धीरे धीरे आएगा. Corn to her. Hence and geese. The young woman and the old woman began to talk. The talk. began to talk.
Began to talk.
Very good. The old woman
The old woman
told the
told the
young woman
young woman
about the
about the
apple pea.
apple tree.
She wanted to eat.
She wanted to eat.
My family
My family
loves
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 plum
jam,
jam,
but
but
all I have
all
have
have
to give you,
to give to
but
but
all
all
I
I
have
have
to
to
give
give
you
you
is
is
a
a
big
big
you is a bag of
bag
of
of
scissors,
feathers,
said the
said the
young woman.
young woman.
A bag of
A bag of
feathers
feathers
will be
will be
easier to carry,
easier to carry,
and
and
I am sure,
I am sure,
I am sure
I am sure
I can
I can
get something, get
something.
I can get something
I can get something
nice
nice
at the
at the
market
market
for
for
these pretty
these pretty
feathers.
figures.
Though
The
old woman,
old woman
so
so
they made
they made
the trade.
the trade.
The old woman
The old woman
went on.
went on.
Soon
Soon
she passed
she passed
a mother
a mother
with
with
many children.
many children.
They were
They were
standing in a
standing in a
doorway,
doorway,
looking very sad,
looking very sad,
looking very sad,
looking very sad,
looking very sad.
looking very sad.
Very good. What is the matter?
What is a matter?
What is the matter?
What is the matter?
Asked the
Asked the
old woman
old woman
kindly.
kindly.
We do not
We do not
have
have
any
any
bread,
bread,
and
and
we have
we have
no money
no money
to buy
to buy
more,
more,
answered
answered
the
the
mother.
mother.
The old woman
The old woman
put the bag
put the bag
of feathers
of feathers
in the mother's
mother's
hand.
hand.
Make a
Make a
pillow
pillow
from
from
this
this
and
and
sell it.
sell it.
Buy some bread
bread
with the money.
with the money.
Very good. Quickly
She
went on
went on
her way,
her way,
but
but
a few minutes
a few minutes
later
later
the mother
the mother
ran up
ran up
to her.
to her.
I do not have
have
much
much
to give you,
to give you,
said the mother. But here is a kitten. He will be good company for you. Very good. So the kitten was put into the basket, and the old woman continued to walk. Very good. Then right before her, she saw an apple tree full of ripe red apples. It grew beside a small house. Very good. There was an old man sitting under the shade of the tree. Those are good apples, said the woman to the man. Very good. I do not care, said the man sadly. I am lonely. Just then the kitten called from the old woman's basket. Meow. Take him, said the old woman. He will be good company for you. Thank you, said the old man. Here, take as many apples as you want. The old woman was very happy. That night, the old woman made a large apple pie. She sent to her. She sent her neighbors some pea. Then she eat down to eat. She sat down to eat a pea herself, and she thought that it was a wonderful pea needed. Pea indeed.